Hi, this is Jeff Wimmer from Studio Cycles and StudioCycles.com. It is Wednesday, October 26th, I believe, 2011. Just want to give you a quick look at 40 Schwinn AC Performances we're getting ready to install in the Spectrum Club in Valencia tomorrow, on Friday. We're doing 5 clubs for Spectrum here in Southern California in the next 2 weeks. And our first delivery of the Spectrum clubs, like I said, is in Valencia tomorrow. We're going to put in 40 AC Performances. And we're going to pull out 40 Star Trek Spinner NXTs, which we will do a complete refurbishing, where we tear them down to the frame. Some of them will be repainted. All of them will be rebuilt with all new parts on the inside. We'll have those up on our website very, very soon. And you can always contact me directly if you have questions about these NXTs. I think collectively total, when we're done with these Spectrum installs, we'll have 160 Star Trek Spinner NXTs in our warehouse that we'll completely tear down. And again, we'll probably do custom paint on some of them like we've done in the past in red and white, black, some pink, some hot pink. But here's a quick look at the Schwinn AC Performances that we're putting into the Spectrum in Valencia, California. A lot of bikes. This is like I said, this is round one. These are the Schwinn AC Performances. And this is half of them. If we flip around to this side, you can see the other half. Now that is a lot of bikes. 40 bikes. 40 bikes we're putting into the Spectrum Club in Valencia, California tomorrow, Friday. I believe it's October 27th. So there's a quick look at those. Remember, we have Schwinn AC Performances, I believe, in 3 flavors right now. We have the demos at $14.50 shipped. We have the brand new Schwinn AC Performance at $15.95. And we have the Schwinn AC Performance with the Empower, the $500 Empower Performance console, and also the Surface Saddle upgrade at $18.95. All those prices do include UPS 5 to 6 day door-to-door ground shipping, fully insured. And we are the only company that I know of in the world where when we build a Schwinn AC Performance, we tear it apart. We actually take the flywheel out of the bike. We remachine the clutches for a much smoother ride. And then, of course, for consumers, we extend the warranty for life, and we do lifetime free parts replacement and lifetime email and phone tech support. So no one does a fraction of what we do. No one does pro building. If you buy a Schwinn AC Performance, they will, anywhere else on the online, the companies, 99.99999% of the companies will process your credit card and send you a box. These are Schwinn AC Performances. This is what will arrive at your house if you order it from anybody else. You will put it together like a table from IKEA. And if you have an issue, the Schwinn AC Performances are very finicky and very sensitive. Certainly not after we're finished with them. We deliver absolute perfection in our bikes. But the AC Performance is not a bike that I would suggest buying online and just putting it together like a table from IKEA. So we've got a lot of AC Performances in our warehouse right now. I just want to give you a quick overview on the Spectrum Valencia install. I'm Jeff Wimmer from Studio Cycles. You can reach me at 888-909-BIKE. You can try 310-664-1375. And you can also try 818-470-2204. I'm generally available 7 days a week from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. And I'm always happy to talk to you about your questions, your concerns, which bike may be best for you. I want to thank you for taking the time to listen to this video, and best of luck to you on your road to health and fitness.